Hi, I'm Juan Loaiza, and I'm very excited to introduce Exadata Cloud Service X8M and its breakthrough performance, scale, elasticity, and cost. So first of all, the Exadata vision is to be a database platform that provides extreme performance and availability at the lowest cost. So Exadata uses scale-out, database-optimized compute, networking, and storage, has many unique algorithms that vastly improve OLTP analytics and consolidation. And it's fully automated and optimized platform from end to end. Now, Exadata has been proven at thousands of the world's leading enterprises. Today, we have 86% of the Fortune Global 100 companies running Exadata, and they're running it best for any workload at any scale. For example, we have many petabyte warehouses. We have super critical OLTP systems like financial trading, manufacturing, and e-commerce. We have ultra complex applications like SAP, eBusiness Suite, Siebel, PeopleSoft, and Fusion Apps. And we have most of our customers doing massive database consolidations on Exadata. And in addition, Exadata is the base platform for Oracle's thousands of autonomous database customers. Now, Exadata is available both on premises and in the cloud. And the cloud options that you have are either to run Exadata in the public cloud or to run Exadata as a cloud platform inside your own data center with our cloud at customer model, or to bring an entire public cloud region into your own data center private to you with our dedicated region cloud at customer model. Today, 28% of the largest companies in the world have already adopted Exadata Cloud. So you can see that it's serving the needs of even the most mission-critical systems. Okay, let's talk about Exadata Cloud Service. What is it? It's an Oracle database running as a service on Exadata. And the Oracle database is 100% compatible with existing applications that you have that use the Oracle database. It benefits from all the simplicity and elasticity benefits of cloud, like elastic scaling, pay-per-use, that are experts running all the infrastructure, and it has user-controlled database automation. And this is the big difference between Exadata Cloud Service and our autonomous database. In Exadata Cloud Service, you have administrative privileges and you control the database automation, whereas in autonomous database, it's all done for you. Now, the Exadata Cloud Service automates extreme performance and availability. I'm going to talk just about a few of the features here. One is our unique new generation rack scale out for any workload. And this gives application transparent database scalability and availability. Another unique feature of Exadata Cloud is that it uses RDMA, remote direct memory access, for OLTP messaging, which makes messaging dramatically faster. Yet another one is that we have unique smart storage that offloads queries and automatically columnarizes data to make analytics run faster. Exadata Cloud Service also has a unique, fully active remote database copy that provides disaster protection while also allowing SQL read-writes on the remote copy, and it also prevents corruptions. The Exadata Cloud Service is available today in 27 public cloud regions around the world with 11 more planned. So now let's talk about specifically what's new with Exadata Cloud Service X8M. First of all, it provides breakthrough performance. And the reason for that is because it uses our new leading edge RDMA remote direct memory access fabric, which is based on super fast 100 gigabit per second converged Ethernet. The other big change in X8M is that it has persistent memory in every storage server. And again, that's access using remote direct memory access. This provides 10 times better transaction processing IO latency. You can do an I/O in 19 microseconds, not milliseconds, microseconds. It also provides 2.5 times higher transaction processing I/O. When we compare this to the I/O latency of Amazon RDS, you can see that it's over 50 times faster than RDS with its fastest storage, which is all-flash storage. Okay, now let's talk about the Exadata Cloud Service X8M breakthrough scale. So this is something that's very new in this version. With Exadata X8M, there's no database or workload that's too large. So a single database can scale up to 4,600 CPU cores and 9,200 threads for compute-intensive workloads. A single database can have 44 terabytes of DRAM, and it can have 96 terabytes of persistent memory for latency-intensive applications. We have 1.6 petabytes of flash for I/O-intensive applications, and the capacity can scale up to 25 petabytes of compressed database size for storage-intensive databases. So no database or workload is too large for this. When we compare this to Amazon RDS or Aurora, Exadata provides 25 times more CPU scaling and 20 times more storage scaling. Now let's talk about Exadata's breakthrough elasticity with the X8M generation. So we have fully elastic expansion. What this means is you can start with a small size Exadata, and the minimum size is the minimum highly available configuration, which is 2 compute servers and 3 storage servers. These are dedicated to you in the cloud, so you don't have to worry about noisy neighbors or malicious neighbors. And then once you have that starting configuration, you can add compute or storage servers as needed. Each compute server you add adds 50 compute cores and 1.3 terabytes of DRAM. Each storage server you add adds 49 terabytes of database storage, 25 terabytes of flash to speed up I/O, and 1.5 terabytes of persistent memory. And when you expand either compute or storage, it can be done fully online. And not only is it online, but it automatically rebalances the existing data and workload across the new compute and storage servers. In contrast, Amazon database services lack true elasticity. For example, RDS has no scale out at all. Aurora elastic scaling is very limited and has, quote, availability impact. And Redshift has no read-write elastic scaling. And none of these Amazon database services provide true online patching and maintenance. So let's talk about some examples of how this would work. If you start with our starting configuration, you can add compute to generate a super high throughput OLTP system. You can add storage to create a petabyte-sized data warehouse, or you can add a combination of the two to run OLTP and warehousing in the same converged database. One converged database can run both. You can also use Exadata to consolidate up to thousands of databases. In essence, creating a private cloud inside the public cloud. And these databases all share the resources to reduce costs. And speaking of costs, Exadata Cloud Service X8M also has breakthrough low costs. So first of all, compared to our previous X8 generation, you get, for the same price, 1.5 terabytes of persistent memory in every storage server. You get 2.5 times faster network and 2 times more DRAM per server. The performance of X8M generation enables you to spend less, so you can run more databases, users, transactions, and analytics on less hardware. And you pay only for what you use. The reason for this is that you can independently scale the compute or storage as needed. You can grow your system online only when you need to, and you get pay per use by the second. So the key takeaways from today are Exadata X8M provides breakthrough performance with persistent memory and 100 gigabit remote direct memory access network. It provides breakthrough scale. You can scale it up to thousands of database cores, terabytes of memory, petabytes of flash, and tens of petabytes of database capacity. You get breakthrough elasticity. You get fully elastic and online expansion, and you get breakthrough low costs because you have faster performance for the same price and you pay only what you use. And in the future, Exadata X8M will become the basis of our autonomous database in the cloud as well. For more information, please visit oracle.com/Exadata.